Hello there. Here is an introduction to gossip. Gossip is founded on two very important concepts. First of all, gossip.com is for girls only, so only girls can log in into the website. Next concept is anonymity. That means a user can post and comment anonymously. Her identity will be completely hidden if she desires to. Let us look at the first concept. We all know that internet today is pretty much male dominated in terms of opinions, blog articles or members on any community website. This somehow subdues the actual voice and freedom of the female fraternity. With gossip.com, we have a platform for them to express openly with gossip as the medium, which we think goes pretty much in sync with girls. Next we'll look into anonymity. People often think being anonymous as being sinister. But hey, it's not like that. Let me explain. So let's say I have a weird friend who does something that annoys me. So I decide to talk to him and explain how stupid that is. He doesn't probably fire back at me of how dare I tell him that, completely forgetting the original explanation which was completely logical. But if now I hide my identity and try to explain him the stupidity, he might question who I am, but this will definitely make him think. And we can have a proper conversation then. We always believe that what is being said is more important than who's saying it. And with gossip, being anonymous is even more fun. And more importantly safe, with all the privacy options that gossip.com has to offer. So now with girls and anonymity, pure gossip happens. And yes, our beta site is live at gausipp.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.